From this video, you will learn how to make $10,000 a month. But if you stick to the end of the video and follow all the steps I show you, then you will make $30,000 a month, all for free from any location. Money will go to your PayPal or your crypto account or your bank account or anywhere you want. Do you waste time like me? I search for videos, I read articles, I read ebooks, I buy softwares and try out different stuff every single day and waste time. And I know if I used that time in the right work, I would make money. If this is your case, then this is the right video for you, because today I will show you how you can waste time but still make money in the process. If this sounds interesting to you, please stick around, because I'm going to show you a step-by-step process how you can money 100% free from any location, any country, any city, and make money without experience, without technical knowledge, and without even a website. And it works for you even if you have never made money online. Not only you will make money, you will have fun along the way. So before we begin, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next money making video. And don't forget to use the share button and share this video with your friends and family and all your social media contacts, as this way you help them learn how to make money online the easy way and the right way. You ready? Let's do this. This is going to be a 3-step process. If you miss any step, you will end up making less money or maybe no money. So watch all the steps. If you need, watch again multiple times. And in my opinion, this is what I do. I take notes using pen on paper. You can do it too. These are also free. We will leave this to you and move forward. So how did I learn this system? Back in 2010, when I started looking for ways to make money online, I read every articles, I watched videos, I bought ebooks, courses, softwares, push button solutions, you name it. Did they make me money? A couple of times here and there, yes, but none of them were a sustainable income solution. So I could not quit my job until 2016. In 2016, I was able to quit my job and follow my dreams of becoming an internet marketer. Now, how did all this happen? It happened when I realized the 2 secrets. Secret number 1, give people what they want. Instead of trying to make money myself, I started looking at others, what they want right now, what they are buying, what they need help with. Sometimes it's just an information, sometimes it's a tip, sometimes it's just a free software, sometimes they just need my 100-word article, sometimes they just need my 1-minute video. And if that clicks, if I do it right just to help people who are looking for help right now, that will go viral. Since then, I never had to look back. And now we have a 7-figure per year software company. We make softwares and other digital products, and how our products help people make money online. One of the softwares are in the link in the description. Use it for free and make money. And in this video, I will show you how to use that software for free and start making money today. By the way, please hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified by YouTube when we will upload our next money making video. That will also come with our premium software for free. And hit the share button, share this video with your friends and family so they can also learn how to make money online the easy way and the right way. Did I just mention the 2 secrets I learned that changed my life? If not, okay, there were 2 secrets. One of them were helping people, and the second one I will tell you in a moment. Stay tuned. So let us waste some time. When I go to YouTube, because we do a lot of videos, I look for other people's videos, I do research, I watch YouTube, I just enjoy YouTube, and that is where I waste a lot of time. But I always turn this time wasting to money making, and that is what I'm about to share with you. So I just heard that Jumanji 4 is going to release in 2022. And guess what? I went back to YouTube and I looked for Jumanji. I looked for a lot of videos about Jumanji because it's so much fun. And I found 35 million people look for the keyword Jumanji every month on YouTube alone. Wow. But here is the thing we need to see. When you search for Jumanji, you see a lot of videos, but they are not same. They're different. Look, the first one, Jumanji, Welcome to the Jungle 2017. Choose your character scenes 1 to 10. Choose your character scenes. Okay, so there are choose your character scenes. The second one is Jumanji, Welcome to the Jungle official trailer. Third one, amazing before and after VFX breakdown, Jumanji the next level. So this one is about before and after VFX. The next one, those are mandrills, Jumanji the next level voyage. The next one is Jumanji the next level ostrich scene. It's in a non-English language. The next one is bloopers and hilarious footage on set. Jack Black impersonates The Rock. Jumanji the next level official trailer. Jumanji Welcome to the Jungle, etc. Jumanji bloopers and outtakes with Kevin Hart and behind the scenes. Okay, I can go on and on. What I wanted to tell you is that forget about Jumanji. Enjoy the future videos. So in 2022, now it's 2022, and on 2023, and on 2024, and years to come, more and more, maybe hundreds if not thousands of movies will be released, and they have stories. All these stories, where will you learn these stories from? Google. Yes, you got it. Google and YouTube will be the first one to publish their stories in many different forms, in many different topics. Okay, just before we move forward, let us show you the money. You see this channel, Fame Focus, this channel makes $10,000 per month to $113,000 per year. All from this amount is only about their income from AdSense. When YouTube runs ads on their videos, this is the money they make from YouTube, not the other forms. So the $10,000 problem is solved, okay? These videos make money from YouTube. Super simple. Let's keep it there and move to how you make money from these videos. Now the money problems are solved. You know YouTube pays you $10,000. Now, will you have to make videos? Don't worry, not the camera videos. You don't even have to speak on the videos. Let me show you how to make videos and make money like this. Just like you and a lot of our viewers, we have problems with speaking in front of the camera, and we have problems with writing script for videos, and we have problems getting elements to make videos. But we run multiple channels, and YouTube is quickly becoming a very profitable business model for us. So for that, we made an AI software called Epic. So we can hire anyone, any beginner, to help us make videos on any niche, any channel. Let me show you how it works, because you're going to get Epic free from the link in the description. With Epic, this is the best part, you can make videos in bite size. Instead of making a long video, which is very hard to do, make bite size videos. It can be 1 second long to 10 minutes long. On the right hand side, these are the bite size videos. When you start, you can fetch images and other elements using copying and pasting external links or URL. That's it. Copy and paste them here. Your image or your video will be here. You can get those elements directly from royalty-free sites as well. Just search here and you will find it. Or you can upload your own using this button. Now you need to add voiceover. If you have a recording of a voice or a sound file, upload from here. If you are okay with using your own microphone, click this button and record from your microphone directly. Or here's the beautiful part, click add text to audio. Just add a title, select webnet, and then select a voice type, either male or female, choose from multiple options, and then put your text here. Once you click submit, your voiceover is ready, done by the software. So awesome, right? Now let's say you don't have a text. You can copy from anywhere, or you can simply go to the text generator, copy from anywhere, paste it here, and click save. The software AI will rewrite the text for you using artificial intelligence. Then you can add text to the video just like this one, and make as many bite-sized videos as you want. Once you are done, click render and your video is ready. I showed the process in a 1-minute video. Go watch that. Did you like this video so far? If yes, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel and switch on the notification bell button, as this way YouTube will notify you as the most important viewer when we will upload our next video. And don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. This way you help them as the coolest person on earth on how to make money online the easy way and the right way. And they also get access to my free software, link in the description. Okay, we showed you Jumanji video or movie videos, showed you the movie niche just to give you an example. It can be something that helps others. This is what I told you at the beginning, right? That when I learned the 2 secrets, I actually started making money. So one of the secrets was give what people want right now. People are looking for many different information about movies. That's why we showed you this example. But now I'm going to show you a problem that you can solve right now. Every internet marketer, everyone who wants to make money online needs a website. And for that, they need hosting server. And hosting servers are not cheap. Whether you make money or not, you have to pay for hosting servers to keep your website alive. Now this hosting servers has a lot of problems and lot of queries from the users. They look for this information on Google and on YouTube. You can make videos around those informations using Epic software, of course. But how do you make more money? I told you you're gonna make $30,000 a month. How? Solve your viewers' information problem using your content, your videos, and then ask them to click in the link in the description of your videos to get hosting server at a one-time price. This is an amazing opportunity, huge money savings for your viewers. And that is why our Host Zpresso offer is so hot. We almost sold 5,000 units on Warrior Plus alone. And every time you send one click, which means one visitor, you make $2.44 on the average. So if you send one from 1,000 clicks or 1,000 visitors, you will make $2,440. If you send double, you will make double. It's super easy. Go to warriorplus.com and create your account, free account. And then go to this affiliate section, look at the offer section and search with the word Host Zpresso, HOSTZPRESSO. You will see this offer, and in get link buttons place you will see a button request like this. You should click that button and fill the information saying I want to promote this offer using my YouTube channel. You can say that your YouTube channel is going to be new, but you will make a lot of good informative videos. All the viewers will be redirected to your affiliate link. We will approve you. Once you're approved, click the get link button and then you will find your affiliate link right here. Copy this affiliate link and share with your viewers in the description of your videos. Not only you will solve the problem of literally millions of customers. In this way, your viewers will find your content useful and your recommendations time saving and money saving for them. They will follow you, they will buy from you, and they will fall in love with you, and they will buy from you over and over again. Super easy way to make money. We have made around $16,000 from promoting this offer, and for us it's $5.40 for every click we send, and 1/3 of the people we send to this offer end up buying. It will happen to you as well, and you will make this much money. So you know, when it's $5 per hub for every 1,000 clicks or every 1,000 people or viewers or visitors you send to this offer, you will make $5,000. Simple process. Now you might be asking, what is the second secret of making money? The second secret of making money is doing something for a long time. So for us, affiliate marketing works. For us, making videos work. For us, email marketings work. For us, software selling, giving advice to people, sharing information, giving away works. So we do it all the time. So we do everything for a long time. There is no shortcut and there is no quick fix. Online making money comes with only one solution. You have to be relentless. No stopping, only doing and making money. Look at our YouTube channel. We publish awesome, helpful money-making videos for our viewers just like you. And YouTube is helping us. Our viewers love us, and look at our channel. In last 28 days, we got 22,000 views. In last 90 days, we got 51,000 views. How cool is that? With paid traffic, 51,000 views will cost you maybe $100,000 or $200,000. We saved all that money, we made money just the way we showed you, only by helping people with our information and software, and doing this relentlessly for a long time. Just the 2 secrets. Go do it and make money, and we will see you in the next video. By the way, before you go, hit the like button, subscribe to our channel, and switch on the notification bell button, as this way you will get notified when we will upload our next video. And we will see you in the next video. Oh, don't forget to share this video with your friends and family. This way you help them learn how to make money online the right way and the easy way, using our softwares and using free information from Google and YouTube. That's it. We'll see you in the next video. Take care. Bye-bye.